So I was saying that if you were not patient enough to wait for price to come into your discounted zone, you'll be trading. This is tradable, but you cannot swing these buys.
Okay.
You understand that? You can't swing these buys. So this was the area where the discounted zone is, and your range, your flip zone. We'll talk about that maybe in our next call. Your flip zone, these are the areas you look out for within your range. Yeah. Flip zone and all those stuff. So what you're looking out for within these areas. So you see how price came to the flip zone, the last sell reaction before the break of structure. That's what your flip is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Price came there, and you would have gotten into this beautiful buy setup after looking for your confirmation. So if price is buying from here, where do you think price is targeting now? Is it not to give us a new high?
The high.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So price is going to give us a new high. So long as this high is not taken yet, buy positions are still valid. Yeah?
Yeah.
So price gave us a massive reaction to the upside, came back, retested the area, you would have gotten on a buy entry. As soon as it took out this internal structure, look for buy entry, continue buying. Continue buying until this high is gone. You understand that? So that is how, now, if price comes and takes out this high, here, then the circle continues again. What do you now look out for? So we now have a BOS, a break of structure. We are waiting for sell OF, correct?
Yes, please.
Sell candle, buy candle, failure. The moment this happens, where is now your new range? You have a high here. Sorry, you have this high. So where is now your low? Please annotate your new low.
This side.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So you now have this low and this high. You see that?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes, please.
So now, you now know that whatever is happening here is just the middle of the market. You understand that?
Yes, please.
Yeah, whatever is happening here is just the middle of the market. You are only interested when price comes into your flip zones, the reaction that gave you the break of structure, or come into your S stream. So this is for instance our flip zone, and this is our S stream. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
My drawing is bad. All right. So this is our S stream zones. These areas. So these are the only areas that I can be looking for buy continuation. So I don't have any business looking for buys to swing at this level, even though it's possible. But then for high probability setup, this is what you should be looking out for. And if I inverse this, it's the same thing for the sell. We have our break of structure here. We have our flip zone here. Then price comes into it and takes it out. We're getting on the sell. The same thing, the same principle. You see that now?
Yes, please.
The same principle. So that is what your range is. That is how to identify a trading range. Because if you don't know this, trust me, you'll be getting in on trade opportunities that are not high probability. And let me tell you what this helps you to do is that it helps you to be very patient. You understand that?
Okay.
It helps you to be very patient. So you now know what to look out for. You now know, okay, I have a sell OF, I have a buy OF. Now, price has not come into the areas where I'm supposed to get in on a very high quality trade. So whatever is happening at the middle, you are not paying attention to it. You are only looking for that setup that will give you quality trades. So look at how you saw how price moved from this area. Look at the momentum as compared to all of these guys here. Yeah. Look at the momentum. It shows you that price wants to buy. Yeah. It shows you that price wants to buy. So the moment you're able to identify your range, trust me, you'll be very, very patient. Yeah. So I can show you this over and over again And I believe you've seen me talk about this on my videos on YouTube and all stuff like that. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Please,
Yes, please.
I want to beg you for something very important. Yeah,
Okay.
I know this class is a paid class, correct?
Yeah.
Hello. Would you mind me posting
Yeah,
this?
I can hear you.
I said I know this class is a paid class, yeah?
Yeah.
So would you mind me posting this for on YouTube so that it can help other people understand this? I'm literally doing this for people to. I'm not really doing this for the money, trust me. I'm doing this because I
Okay.
want people to benefit from this knowledge, yeah? Probably
All
this
right, sir.
help somebody out there. The only thing I
Sure.
charge people for is, of course, it takes a lot of time, a lot of resources to mentor somebody. Yeah, you
Yeah.
get it now. So, and that's the reason why I charge for mentorship. I don't sell courses. Trust me, you wouldn't find any course anywhere that this is mega mind course going for $200 or something. You wouldn't find that anywhere. Yeah. And
Yeah. Yeah.
if you observe, most of the things I post are my calls with people, yeah, who are also willing
Yeah.
to let the knowledge out there, so that other people can learn. You get it now. So I don't know if you don't mind me posting this on
Yeah.
YouTube so that others too can learn. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem. No
Yeah,
problem. Yeah, I'll post it.
you always have me here to clarify things when you don't understand.
All right, sir.
And I think that's what the larger, you know, audience doesn't have, yeah?
Yeah. Because
So
I think even before I was able to get in touch with you, I also watched some like a class you had with somebody.
yeah. I have a
Yeah.
small community. We
Yeah.
are not much, very, very small.
Okay.
So I don't want the
Okay.
noise. I don't want a lot of people. I don't want the hypes. I'm only doing this because I
All
want to
right.
document my journey, yeah, and
Okay, sir.
also
All right.
move with a little group of people that understand the idea, correct?
Sure, sir. Sure.
So this will
All right.
do
Thank you.
this will go a long way for some people.
Sure. Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
All right. So thank you for that. I really appreciate that. So I'm going to show you
All right.
some other chart example of what I just said. So like, what's your
Yeah.
favorite pair? So that we don't just do this on EU and you said it only works on EU. So what's your favorite pair or your favorite instrument?
It was gold and BTC.
Okay, you trade gold and BTC, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So can we try this on gold? Even though I'm not, let's see if this works on gold. Gold.
Okay.
Okay, gold. And let me see. All right. I'm looking for
And
gold USD.
so please, do you trade DVP, JPY?
No. I don't trade JPY PS. I don't trade I only trade Euro USD. Funny enough,
Wait. Oh, okay.
I only trade Euro USD. This okay? This is gold, yeah. Am I correct? Like literally, it's been long.
Yes.
It's been long. I saw gold. Like trust me, it's been long. All
Okay.
right. So this is gold. Some of these pairs are very very volatile. So
Yeah.
and their range tend to be very wide range. So
Yeah.
now let's see if we can apply the same principle and get the range for gold. So this H is very and if sell massive. So now we now
Okay.
have a sell. What I didn't also structure. Let me use these are
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hello.
I can't hear you at all.
I can hear you.
Like this is I
Hello.
said I can hear you, but
I
it's
can hear you.
chipping very very well. Yeah, okay. So we have our break of structure. We have our sell OF, yeah. Now if we
Yeah.
have this, so there's when price takes out this structure, yeah,
Yeah.
without coming into this guy, yeah. So we have another break of structure. Our OF has been taken, and we didn't have price. We didn't have price come into this area, yeah. Let's assume we didn't have price come into this area to give us our buy. Yeah, are you getting
Yes,
now?
please.
We didn't. Let's assume we didn't have this. We didn't have this for the day,
Okay.
and price did this, breaks our sell OF, and then did this, and maintained this low. Sorry, what's happening? All right, so price refused to take out this low, yeah? Like price maintained this low, and then we have this. Into the following day, let's assume we have this price action today, and price takes out our sell OF, and then price didn't come for this low, and then further breaks to this upside and maintain this low.
Okay.
Now, and gives us another OF here, yeah? This becomes your range. This guy and this guy.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, please.
Yeah, this guy and this guy. And sometimes when price do this, what price is targeting is a higher time frame liquidity from your left. Yeah? Price is targeting something from your left. So that's why it's protecting these lows. Price is protecting what is happening. I don't know why. So what price is doing is that price is protecting these lows, yeah, to take them out later. So you can have price is looking for something on the H1, on the higher time frame, on the daily. So you have price do something like this, takes out this, and then comes for this. See that now?
Yes.
So when you see these lows being protected, and how do you know? You have your sell OF. This is supposed to give you like a sell reaction back into this guy. But what happened? You didn't get that. So you didn't get your sell reaction. All you got was price reacted and went ahead and broke. Then this becomes your swing low, and this is your new high. And this must happen, and this low must be maintained into the following day, not the same day. I mean the following day. If this low is maintained into the following day, then it becomes a very strong low. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's apply this same thing to gold so that you see what I'm saying.
Okay.
All right. So cool. We have a break of structure. We have an OF. We have here bullish candle failed here. You see that?
Yeah.
So price is supposed to come into these areas to continue the buy after price took out this guy. Remember I told you, price took out your sell OF, mitigated something on the left. I don't know what it mitigated, and then we had a massive drop. You see that now?
Yeah.
Now,
that
massive drop was meant, this sell was meant to come into this area. You get it now? It was meant to come into so that we can have the buy. But what happened?
Okay.
What happened? It didn't come into that area. See that it further took out this guy here. What happened? So now we had our sell OF broken. I don't know. This was when? This was Friday. Okay, this was Friday. Yeah. Okay, Friday. This was Friday's price action. So now price took out this high, took out our sell OF. Would have gotten on this beautiful sell opportunity here, and your target should be something around this guy. And trust me, if price is going to do this, it should be a very, very huge move, especially when you're counter trend. Yeah. So this sell is supposed to bring us here to continue the buy. But what happened? It took out this structure and didn't give us that buy. What happened? Price aligned back to bullishness after taking out this liquidity. You see that now? So how did price align?
Yes.
Let me show you. So price took out sell order flow, took out this buy OF. What happened? It created another buy order flow. So how did the price create buy order flow? Let me show you. So what do you want to see? You want to see a sell candle violation on the H1. You see that? So we have buy, sell, that was supposed to continue to sell, correct?
Yeah.
See that it failed. See that now?
Okay.
It failed. This sell failed here. So we have now switched back from bearish to bullish. So you would have taken this guy for a buy. And what is your target?
The highest.
You see that now?
Yeah.
If I was going to buy, let's assume we don't have these guys. If I was going to buy, trust me, I was only going to wait for price to come into this guy here to buy this. I was only going to wait if I was in this sell. This would have been my target. Of course, I would have taken something here, but I'll be targeting this place ultimately. But because price didn't come into here and I see this alignment back to H1. So I believe this particular, and trust me, this buy is going to be a massive one. It's going to take out this guy, go somewhere, and if price is coming, this entire area is going to become liquidity for price. So don't take your eyes off this zone, the valid one. It may not come back today or tomorrow. It might come back next week, and it's going to be a massive one. Yeah.
All right, sir.
Yeah. So that's how you identify your range. So for now, the overall higher time frame, let's say the overall higher time frame range for gold is this low, and this was our high, sell OF, that was taken out. So our sell OF has been violated, and then price has created a new sell OF and a new buy OF. So we have this low here, and now this high. You understand that now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have, these are swing high, these are swing low. Let me zoom in. So these are swing high, these are swing low now. Let me clear this chart, please. No. Yeah, so this is now our swing for gold, this high and this low. You understand that? So whatever you're doing, we are only, and more so we are bullish on gold. So we are bullish. What it means is that buy a high probability, yeah?
Yeah.
Buy is a high probability. So you want price to take out this high, you can engage the sell when you find your OF, yeah, back into this area for buy continuation. You see that now?
Yes, please.
Can we do what other pair you say you trade?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Much. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you, even though it's slow.
All right.
So for these guys, what do we have? We have break of structure here. Are you seeing it?
Yes, please.
So you want your sell candles to be violated. So this was where sell was violated. Sell OF. Okay. This was where sell was violated. So we had a huge range. So for BTC, we have this high and this low. Yeah? See that now?
Yes, sir.
So that's the range
for
BTC. So, but as intraday traders, what do you want to see? What's our, okay, so these are flip zone. This, the reaction that took out the break of structure, correct? I told you this one.
Yes, sir.
So the H1 reaction that took out the break of structure. So these are flip zone. Price was meant to sweep it and continue to sell. Like sweep our flip zone and sell. What happened? Failed. Continued to buy. So my flip zone becomes my buy area. That's it. This is the reaction. What is happening? See that now? So practically, it's a bullish move for me until this swing. This is the swing point here. Until price come into premium. So this is the areas where I may potentially look for massive sells. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are the areas where I'll potentially look for huge sales opportunity. So from intraday, what can we find now? So let's see, this was Wednesday. So this happened on Wednesday. Okay, on Tuesday, we had a break of structure, so we are now bullish at this point. So Wednesday, do we have a sell OF? Let me turn on my session box, sorry. All right, yeah. So now, correct. So this was Asia. So yeah, Asia gave us a sell OF. It's beautiful. This is like, textbook for me. Yeah. So we have the new range here for intraday. So we have this high, and I would explain why. What's happening now? All right, so let me delete that. So you see, we have a sell OF here for Wednesday. I told you your OFs should come from previous day, correct? Previous day.
Yes, please.
This was a sell OF because this buy candle was violated here. See that now? So
Yes, sir.
at this point, so it becomes a sell area. Now, this become our flip zone violation becomes our buy area. So I told you, if you are bullish, what happens? Your sell OF most times are liquidity. The moment price takes them, price mitigates something or sweeps something. I would have gotten on this massive sell back into this area and gotten on this buy. I will get on this sell, getting on this buy, then getting on this sell again, and eventually getting on this buy.
Okay.
Yeah, I would have done that. Like this textbook for me. So Thursday, this was Wednesday, yeah. So Thursday, let's see what happens. The following day, we had, do we have, so yeah, so we have this. I'm helping you to mark out the range now. So for intraday, so we have this high here, and these are lows is still maintained, yeah, until this high is gone, until this one is broken, this one now. So until this is broken, so what is happening? Okay, so it's not. So until this guy is broken, this is our range, this low and this high. What happened? We had a massive sell. Yeah, we have gotten on this buy because we are still in our buy area, gotten on this buy. Takes out this structure. As it takes out this structure, we have a new range. So what happens? We're looking for sell OF. This was Friday. Bullish candle was violated here at this point. So we have this low. We have this low here and this high here. See that now? So these are new range and this high here. So see, price is still within this range. And now look at what happened. It took out our flip because this was the reaction that took out the structure, yeah?
Yeah.
Correct? You see that?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing the magic?
Yes, sir.
Boom. You are buying back to your sell OF. And it got here, look at the massive sell. So you know where exactly to get in. You understand that? You know where exactly to get in. So this call is only to identify range. We've not gotten into flip zones and liquidity zones, yeah? So I'm just showing you potential trade opportunity. Trust me, this is a beautiful one. I mean, this is a beautiful one. Beautiful trade. This is a beautiful trade opportunity. And my target is these highs. As soon as these highs are swept, I'm out. Yeah. And this is a sell. This is also a sell area. A beautiful sell back into this guy. Yeah. So for now, we're just trapped within this range, this low and this high. Until one of them is taken, the range still remains the same. Yeah.
All right,
so,
sir.
Until we have this high, until we have something like this. Until you have something like this, yeah? Price taking out this high gives us a sell OF. Then we now have a new range, yeah? You have this one, this.
Okay.
You see how it works?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you see how
yeah. Okay, so please, where price is now,
yeah,
is it possible that price can sell from that side deeper into this range and then continue to the upside?
Now this is very tricky. The reason why I said it's very tricky is because, first of all, if you look at the range very well, the overall range, remember the overall range? This is the overall range.
Yeah.
This high here.
Yeah.
So we are not even at the premium to get into a massive sell continuation.
Okay.
Yeah. So now.
Yes, sir.
Buying here is tricky. Selling is tricky because we also have this liquidity build-ups here. So price can as well do this. Price can as well do this. Yeah?
Okay.
You understand that? Yeah, price can do that.
Yeah.
You never can tell. But one of the things you want to do is just to work with before price. Of course, this cannot come here in a single move. You understand that? Price cannot just drop here in a single move. Now, this is what you want to do. Because we are intraday, we know we have our range already. We have this guy here, correct?
Yeah.
We have this guy here, and then you have this high. Now, if by today price doesn't take out this high, and then counted already, so price was meant to because it's now protecting this high, correct? We have price. This is a very good area for sell. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
If we are going to come down here, this is a very good area for sell. So when price gets into this level, and I still see, I can take a risk entry off here, and I still see price giving me like bullish, H1 structure like this. Let me assume we have something like this, and then we now have price breaking H1 like this, yeah? Oh my, I'm going to take this back to this.
Okay.
I'm going to take that 100%. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
But one of my best setups is having a buy OF and a sell OF and my flip zone intact. Like trust me, this would have been a very beautiful buy for me and a massive sell for me. So right now, I wouldn't bother about what is happening here. So I'm in a buy, I'm in a sell. Yeah?
Yeah.
You understand that? So I'm avoiding the middle of the range. So if price is going to buy, continue, I'm in the buy. If price is going to sell, I'm already in the sell.
Okay.
You understand that? So whatever happens, price can decide to come into this guy and drop, and I'm still in the sell. So there's no point. And this too, I would have gotten on the buy here. As soon as price took out this low, let me even show you how I would have gotten. Let's show you how. And there are a lot of things to talk about here, so I don't want to rush you. I want you to take it slowly.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Sure, sir.
Yeah. So let us go slow and steady. Slow and steady. So there are a lot of things for you to learn. So just internalize it. So the assignment I'm going to give you? The assignment I'm going to give you here is for you to identify for me buy OF. Like look for like 6 pairs or 5 pairs. Identify their recent range. Yeah? Their recent price range. Identify it, and then come. And that's the assignment. 5 range. Yeah. 5. You look for 5 pairs and identify their current range in price.
Okay.
This will have been my entry for this guy. My targets will be this guy. You got it now. So that's it.
All right, sir.
So that's it for the range. Is there any question? So first, on our next class, we're going to be talking about liquidity. So what's valid liquidity zone that they are meant to take trades for?
Okay.
Yeah. So is there any question? If you don't have, I will send you this video so you can go.
All right. So I'll go over because I'm kind of a little. So I'll have to go over.
So I'm giving you from now to the weekend. So internalize them. Come with your questions. I'm always open to your DMs. I'm always open to you on my DM. So come to my DMs, ask your questions. I always answer you. Correct?
All right, sir. All right, sir.
So by weekend, submit the assignment by Friday. Take your time.
By Friday.
Yeah. Submit the assignment.
Okay, sir.
So the moment you submit them,
all right, sir.
I will schedule another meeting for us on Saturday.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Please go back. Okay. Please, I beg you. There's no amount of persuasion that is going to bring you into this stuff except you do it on your own. You must have this thing on the inside. This drive. I always want to make you understand. I want to make you learn new stuff. Yeah. So I can't. There's no way I can do it. I can't. Like I always say, I can't impart this on you. I can only teach you what I do. Yeah. It all depends on you to really exploit. Yeah. Please. Trust me, this is not rocket science. It's as simple as it is here. You understand that? So please take advantage of this knowledge and do a very beautiful job.
All right, sir.
All right. So.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir.
This one, it's for me. It's bye from here. So come to my DM anytime you don't understand any stuff. I'm always open here.
All right, sir.
All right. So I'll send you the videos right away.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my brother.
All right.
Have a wonderful
God bless you.
Yeah.
Same, sir. Same. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Yeah.